Good afternoon, good evening. It's Cook and Inspire back at it again with Chef Garnet in the kitchen. And today I'll be doing lots of cooking. This video I'm going to do today, it's like a 5-part video, you know, so it's going to come in 5 parts because it's a long video. It's my daughter's birthday and I promised her I was going to do some cooking, you know. She requests a lot of things and it can't go down in one video, so I have to do separate videos. So it's a series of videos, series of 5 videos where you're gonna have part 1, part 2 and part 3, you know. This is my daughter. Come. I see this, you know. Happy birthday. Yeah, so I've been doing a lot of cooking for her. And in the kitchen today is my assistant, which is my wife. Come here, baby. Go on and so.
I just look good old wife.
So, you know we do it in the kitchen already, isn't it?
Oh, the ghetto.
Yeah, man, so we're going to be doing some cooking now and show you how it's done. And today we're going to do some seafood boil. You know, I still got a lot of stuff over here. You know, so I'll take you through the process how we have pre-prepared our stuff already, because I don't want it to be wasting a lot of time, you know, chopping things and show, you know. I can show you how we do things in different videos, but for now, from a seafood, first of all you're gonna need your crab. There it is. You're gonna need your crab. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you through the process how I am gonna do my seafood boil. So first of all, I've got about 4 pieces of butter here, sticks. I'm gonna cut them in pieces.
Hold on, do it. Yes. Oh my
Pour
god.
my butter inside my pot. Oh, my pot is too hot. My pot is too hot. The pot is too hot, bring it down to a boil. You know, I mean, that's when you see this video now and think, oh, you can't cook it down. You know, I just last focus there for a while. So, I bring that down to low. My pot was a bit too hot. You know, need to burn the place down. Yeah, so once my butter is melted, I'm going to go in with my scallions. Yeah, so in go my scallions. Alright, if I burn on the place, oh my god. Yeah, so in goes my scallion, my scotch bonnet pepper. I've used a bit of ginger, a bit of chili, green chili. My pimento seeds, I'm going in with my pimento seeds. My chopped thyme, yeah, and my garlic. My onions, I'm going in with all of that. You know, when all that flavor started to combine, you know, I'll leave out my lemon for now. Don't want to put my lemon in yet. Yeah? I want to get all these flavor incorporated together there. So all my ground seasonings in. So just let that saute for a little while. You know, get all that flavor in, you know. So I'm gonna go in with my Old Bay season. My Old Bay season. Going a lot of Old Bay season. Seafood boil it down. Yeah, man. You know, my allspice. Give that a little stir up. Yeah, man. Bring back up my flame a bit. Right, I'm gonna go in with my allspice. Mixed with herbs and everything is already in this seasoning. Right. I need to burn on the place. The fire alarm go off a while ago. Yeah, man. Just through my simple little mistake. But it's alright. I get it. The boat is back on track. I'm back sailing. Right, so that's seasoning, boy. With some cayenne pepper. You know, don't forget you want this to have nice flavor. So when you put your crabs and your prawn in there, I'm going with some Cajun seasoning as well. You want it nice and spicy. Yeah? Some allspice seasoning. And don't forget my Italian herbs and seasoning. Yeah, herbs. I like my herbs. In every video you can hear me talk about my herbs. Not marijuana herbs though. Yeah, that looks good. Smells good. There's one thing I forgot to tell you guys. Yeah? I don't eat seafood. I don't eat anything in shell. So I won't be tasting this pot. You know, but as a chef, you're supposed to cook anything without tasting it. Yeah, so all that flavor is in here. I'm gonna put in my lemon now. Full lemon. Stir up that. Get all that season. Look at that. Get all that season marinate in the onions and pepper and everything. Yeah. Over here, we got our beer, Stella. Where's my opener? In this kitchen, you know, that's how you open up. Jamaican style. Use a spoon, just pop it. Yeah? Use a spoon to just pop it. I'll find the opener. The opener is in there, but so I'm going in with my beer. Yeah. One beer down to that. Get that out of the way. Give it a little stir. So all that goodness in there. Yeah, man. I haven't got any chicken stock, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make chicken stock out of Maggi capsule. Yeah? So wait and see how I make my chicken stock. Yeah, so this is all am I gonna make my chicken stock to go in my seafood boil, yeah? So it's all it is Maggi capsule mix. So what I'm gonna do, I use about half a pack of Maggi soup mix. So I'm going to need some boiling water. Yeah? I'm going to need some boiling water. Give it a little mix. Give it a little mix, and this is all I'll be making my chicken stock. I'll be going with my chicken stock now, which I've made from cock soup. So I'll be straining it off, because you don't want all those noodle thing inside of it. So I'll be using the juice. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Simple and easy. You know, all that thing in there. So that's what leave over from the cock soup. Put that aside. And now I'll be going in with my, I need to go in with some boiling water. Some boiling water. I'll bring that up to a boil, and then I'll come back and show you when I'll be putting in my stuff inside of it. Yeah, so I'm gonna be adding my sausage in my seafood boil. At least I get that one right. So in goes my sausage. Sachets. Yeah. I don't want to put my corn in yet because I've pre-cooked them. So I'm gonna put in my crab legs. Put down like that. Down like that. Go down like that. Crab foot down like that. I'm not gonna put in my my prawns yet because they're very easy to cook. So I'll give that around. I give the crab leg around 5 minutes to boil. Around 5 minutes to boil. And then I'll go in with my prawns. But yeah, my potato is soft already. My corn is basically done already. So I'll come back and show you when I'm going to put in my prawns. Yeah? I'll be going in with my prawns now because I don't want it to cook the crab and the prawns at the same time, because you only need like 5 minutes to cook prawns, which the crab takes a bit more time. Yeah, and I'll be going in the same time with my corn and my potato, which I've pre-cooked. Yeah, so you only need like 5 more minutes to cook and that's it. Yeah, so in goes my prawns. Yeah, and once they started to change color, you know that they already cooked. Look. So in goes my potatoes and my corn. Yeah man, dig that up. Sink them to the bottom. Yeah, sink them down. Oh, lovely that is. Hoping that these corns, they don't take too much time to cook. You know? And look at that. You see how they get pink already? Alright. There you go. Sink those down. Yeah. So when I come back, I'll show you when I plated up everything and present it to you. Yeah? So I'll give this around 5 more minutes and then I'll take you to the finished product. Right, so before I plate up my seafood boil, I'll be making some butter and garlic sauce to go over my seafood. Right, so in goes my butter. In goes my butter. Yeah. So melt the butter. Now I'll be going in with my garlic. As much garlic as possibly you can. Alright. Let that come together for a little bit. Back. Look at that. Some butter and garlic. Right, so we're using a bit of coriander. Parsley, whatever, but put it in there. It's mainly for color, really. In with some finely chopped bell peppers, red, green, and yellow. These away. We're going with some parsley. Nice garlicky flavor over that. So you can season it to your taste or whatever you want to use in it. You know, but for now that's what I'm going to be using. With a plate up, I'll show you the finished product. Here you have it, my finished dish from my seafood boil, and as you can see I've done some sweet potato fries as well. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up please, and don't forget to subscribe and share, okay, and leave a comment, and whatever you want me to cook, drop it in the comment section and I'll get straight at it, you know. Peace out until I see you again. It's Cook and Inspire.
Here we go, man. Travelers, influencers, boy. I'm there with Chef Garnet and the family. Yeah, man. And you see where Chef Garnet cook up here? That's why I phoned him. You see? Now you can see why I phoned him for tips. Watch out. Watch out. Digging down.
Lovely.
Look, pardon. How was that?
Lovely.
Look at that. That's the family. This is the Dean family. Everybody's eating away. Listen, man. We're having a good time.